Back here at Cars R Us, and we're in the inside of the vehicle. Hopefully you could tell that, or you should not be driving. We're looking at the dash and some of your dash lights. So what we want to do is, we're on obviously in the off position for our vehicle. We're going to start the vehicle, and all your dash lights will do their system check here. You can see we're just going to the on position, and all the dash lights light up, and they should shut off unless you have an issue when we start up the car. Okay, so I have the cruise on. That's not a big deal. We could turn that off. Okay, so you see all your lights here. You're gonna have your RPMs. That's pretty self-explanatory, not something you really need to keep too much of an eye on. Miles per hour, you should keep an eye on that. Hopefully you're not speeding. And we have our coolant here. That's a big one, hot and cold. So if it gets past midway, that's okay. If you get up to 3/4, you're starting to get pretty warm. So you wanna keep an eye on that, and you'll get a light on the dash typically on your newer vehicles that will tell you it's overheating, that it's getting engine temperature hot or something similar to that. If that happens, you need to pull over immediately as fast as you can without injuring somebody and turn the vehicle off to let it cool off. If you can't pull over right away, turn the heat on full blast to help cool the vehicle down until you can get to a safe place to stop. Okay, your other one is your fuel. Obviously, you know you got to add gas. So normally what we want to do is add fuel at 1/4 of a tank. That helps to save your fuel pump and wear on the vehicle. So those are your main lights. If you get an engine light, something like that, you can continue to drive it as long as it's not running rough. Get it to a repair shop, have it checked out. If you get a oil pressure light or something that says low oil pressure, you want to make sure that you pull over and handle that. There can be sensors that can cause it, but it could also be engine failure internally, and you don't want to damage your motor. So we'll see you again, and that's the end of our inside video.